Alright, so today we're gonna meet up with the one, the only, the Dogecoin Millionaire. The guy that I randomly met in LA, who I became close friends with, who YOLO'd his entire life savings into Dogecoin, who became a multi-millionaire, who was told to sell, was pled to sell, who never sold, who is now no longer a millionaire. He just landed at the airport here in Las Vegas. Let's go catch up with him to see where life's taking him. Let's go. What's up?
You can say it.
I don't wanna say it.
You can say it.
I don't wanna say it, it's all good.
You can say it.
Alright, I told you so.
Bro, I'm moving to Vegas.
We're gonna be neighbors.
We're gonna be neighbors.
Nice. You just went from gambling your entire life savings on crypto to gambling your entire life on the biggest gambling capital of the world.
Yeah.
What could go wrong? All right,
What's
we're
going
back.
on? What's up?
I'm happy you're moving to Vegas, man. This
Me
is
too.
awesome.
I'm excited.
But first, what's going on? What's with the portfolio?
Portfolio.
Wow. All right, so you got $500,000 worth of Dogecoin inside of Robinhood. Do you have any other cryptos outside of that?
Yeah, so it's $500,000 in Robinhood.
Okay.
I have $7,000 in ADA, which is Cardano. That's my Yoroi wallet.
Okay, so 560.
Yep, and then I got about $50,000 in my Trust wallet.
All right, so
Majority of it is Floki.
$610,000 around, and then you've got around $90,000 in VV and other things, which we'll get into in just a bit.
Yeah.
So around a $700,000 net worth in total.
Not quite $1 million, but not too far off.
Coming to theaters nowhere.
Actually, I got a documentary coming out.
You do though. You do. That's cool. It's actually gonna be in theaters though.
In June.
Yeah, I can't make that joke anymore. It's not true.
That's so funny.
You're gonna be in theaters.
I will.
That's amazing.
I'm happy.
Oh my gosh. So that is down from a high of almost $3 million.
Yes.
And I pleaded.
He did.
I begged.
He did.
Graham begged.
Did.
Kevin pleaded.
He did.
Couldn't convince you.
I'm stubborn as they come.
Welcome, Pro, the non-Dogecoin millionaire.
Happy to be here.
All right, so let's open it up to some questions here.
All right.
What's your go-to Taco Bell order?
3 cheesy bean and rice burritos, grilled.
Also, with every bite he takes an entire sauce packet and empties it with every bite. It is disgusting.
Delicious. You should try it. Don't knock it till you try it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you?
12.
12?
Well, I'm moving to Vegas, and I'll get to live next to one of my best buddies over here.
Nice.
So
That'll be
fun.
exciting. What kind of a lifestyle does he live right now?
Still frugal as ever.
This is true. Actually, speaking of frugality, how much did you pay for your studio in LA?
$12,000. Roughly $1,200.
Okay, plus another $300 for storage, right?
Correct, so
about $1,500.
yes, it's cozy.
It was awesome. But you're not getting a lot in LA for $1,500. But in Vegas, on the other hand, I wanna show you what you can get for about that same amount of money.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go see it.
Let's go. What's going on, guys? Follow me. This is what we're looking at in Vegas. We have
Whoa, that's nice.
nice, right?
Super nice, I love this.
Very open.
It's a little bit bigger than your old place.
just a tad. Yeah. And over here we have the living.
Love it.
And it's open over here where you can see the kitchen. So
Look at that
technically-
ceiling fan though.
The ceiling fan, yeah. And you can be cooking something and still watch TV at the same time.
I love that. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is so cool. European cabinetry
Oh,
right
yes,
here.
yes. They open like so.
Nice. All right.
And
soft close. Wait, you gotta have the soft close feature.
soft
yes.
close. Beautiful.
Love it. Love it.
Beautiful.
All right. Show me the kitchen.
All right, so here's the kitchen.
Look at this. This is a 3-inch Calcutta slab. I know because I did it for my house. This is so cool. This is nice. It's not a huge kitchen, but it's. I think it's perfect.
It's spacious. And over here we have the powder room for my guests.
Wait, is it called a powder room? I thought it's called more like guest bathroom.
Guest bathroom, powder room. It looks like you would powder your
Whoa!
face in here. That's why.
Dang, I look like a Picasso. What's up? It's nice.
Yeah. And then over here we have. I don't have to go to the laundromat anymore.
Wow.
Washer dryer.
2-car garage. It's nice.
2-car garage. Might turn this into a music studio. I don't know yet. Figure it out. Yeah.
Smart lighting.
Yes. You
Philips
can change
Hue.
the colors of all the lights. You can dim them.
I love this. This is one of my favorite parts about the
yes.
backyard. Just,
So,
it's not quite a pocket door, but it feels like it. If you open it up, it's so great. And then like when you're cooking, you can just look at the TV directly. And then the backyard is probably my favorite part.
Everything is right here. You know what I mean? Like the backyard.
Show us the fire pit.
The fire pit's my favorite. Okay.
So
It's got
nice.
Built-in boulders as seats,
Whoa.
and I can have the homies over.
I didn't know you were raising lizards.
You know what I mean? I got lizards. I got pet lizards. I got pet snakes and
This is awesome.
birds.
Wow, this is great.
Fireplace and then the barbecue pit. Hey guys. Didn't see you there. I was just cooking up a burger.
Nice. All right.
Pretty cool.
Let's go see the upstairs. There's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
Yes.
Yes. So this is kind of what the house looks like from here. Go ahead.
So this is the stairway. Follow me. This is the master bedroom.
We call it the primary bedroom.
Primary. Ceiling fan again.
That's a crazy one. Whoa, that's awesome.
So everything is open. Like
Wait, this is my favorite part right here. Look, look, look. Is it going? Oh, wow.
There we go.
Hold on.
Very
Wow.
dope.
And then it's kind of open closet concept.
Yeah. This
So your
is...
closet's right in your bathroom, but your bathroom is in here, and your shower's right there. For scale.
Huge shower. Oh, this is dope,
Wow.
man. I like the way the space is used.
Yeah, even though it's only 1,500 square feet, it's not a big house, but the space is used so well. And here's your bathroom.
Whole
So
bathroom right here.
it's, you know, separated, which is great. And then, yeah, closet, everything. Let's go see the other bedrooms.
Check this bathroom out.
Yeah, this is awesome. So great. This feels like a model home. So this bathroom is shared between those 2 bedrooms. So it's bedroom 2, bedroom 3. So here's where you'd have your guests over. Cool fan. Nice.
Also cool fan. I like it.
You've got the European closets, kind of like the kitchen with the glossy cabinets.
Yep. From a studio to this, right?
This is crazy. This whole bedroom is your house right now.
Yeah, essentially. This is where I live. In California.
This bedroom, not even exaggerating, is basically where he lives right now. This is awesome. I really like this. You could probably have 2 people living with you and charge them, I don't know, $600 to $800, maybe $1,000 a month.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much most of your mortgage is covered. You pay like $400 to $500 a month.
Which is crazy because right now I pay $1,200
For this,
for a
in LA.
space about this size, right?
Yeah. Please don't move to Vegas, California, people. That's nutty.
Nutty.
So the number 1 question, believe it or not, is do you regret not selling when Andrei told you to? That's not the number 1, but I just added that.
Thanks. Do I regret not selling? No. I feel like when I started it, I told myself and I told everyone that I'm gonna stick to this plan of keeping it and holding it until it hits $1.
Wait, so what are some catalysts for Dogecoin that make you still hold it?
There's 3. Robinhood is announcing wallets. They already announced them. Wallets should be coming out here shortly at the end of the first quarter of this year.
Just like free trading for the UK in the first quarter of 2020.
Something like that.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Withdrawals from crypto, they're coming. Nevada trading in crypto, it's coming.
It's gonna happen, man, all right? The wallets are coming. Number 2 catalyst is something that I've been personally working on with the tech team for the past 6 months now.
Oh, I feel like you're gonna shill us something.
Well, it's actually my efforts in bringing Dogecoin to the masses as far as helping with mass adoption by integrating a debit card into the
That's cool.
Dogecoin.
And you had a hand in the design of it?
Yeah, so I'm creative director over there, and I had a hand in the design. You know.
That way you can actually spend it on things and not
Exactly.
have that embarrassing situation where we went to a store and you were like, I could buy stuff here.
You guys take Dogecoin?
No.
You guys tweeted out Golden Knights now taking Dogecoin for payment for your stuff. Only on the website, not on the store.
And they didn't.
They didn't. It was sad.
So this will be
Yeah.
not like that.
Catalyst number 3 is putting a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. So Elon Musk tweeted this last year. SpaceX is being completely funded by Dogecoin with a mission to the moon on a rocket ship called Doge 1.
Is there an actual deadline for this to happen?
They said spring 2022, but you know.
Have you seen that one meme with Elon promising that automation is solved like every year since I think 2015? And they were asking, when is it coming? And he's like,
A Tesla car next year will probably be 90% capable of autopilot. We're probably only a month away from having autonomous driving, at least for highways.
End of next year.
I feel very confident predicting autonomous robotaxis for Tesla next year.
I'm extremely confident of achieving full autonomy next year.
I mean, it's looking quite likely that it will be next year.
But it'll happen.
okay. Instead of waiting for it to go to the moon, how about we sell right before the rocket launches? Because that's when it's gonna reach the peak.
Yes.
That's what you should do.
You're right.
You should not wait until that happens.
You're right.
You should sell right before it.
Okay.
Just like Saturday Night Live.
If you guys are watching this,
There's no guys watching. There's probably one dude on the opposite end who's just probably laying in his bed. It could be a girl.
It could be a girl. Bro,
anyone.
if you're watching this, man, if you're watching this and you remember Saturday Night Live, and we were on live stream,
Yeah.
you know, my portfolio was fluctuating $1 million in an hour.
Yeah.
When Dogecoin goes to the moon, literally on a rocket ship, my plan is the day before, take out a little bit of profit. And you should too, not financial advice.
You're like, I remember the Saturday Night Live skit.
I do regret not taking a little bit of profit, at least my initial investment, into Dogecoin the day before Saturday Night Live. I wouldn't have even waited the day of because a lot of people were having issues where they couldn't even sell. So literally the day before, I should have took a little bit of profit.
So I guess that's really nice is that you're still holding on to Dogecoin because you believe in its fundamental success and not because you're waiting for it to reach some price target. And the reason that's so important is because if it does dip below a certain threshold, you would just get so scared and you would sell everything.
Yeah.
That's why with Bitcoin, I'm holding on no matter what the price is because I believe that I won't have to sell it at a certain point. I'll just use it because it's integrated into the economy.
Not just Bitcoin. If I recall, you bought Omi
Yeah.
and you put in about $150,000
Yeah.
and it dropped all the way down to $20,000 and you diamond handed that thing.
But you know why? Because I never got to see it drop to that point. So as much as I like to say, well, I believed in it, I just never saw it dip to that point. But I'm just trying to reinforce the fact that you shouldn't just rely on a price for buying anything.
Facts.
Now I kind of want to get your thoughts on NFTs because everyone's talking about NFTs and the metaverse. And I know you've been dabbling recently with it. So I always love to ask everyone this question, which is, what are NFTs to you?
I like to call them non-fungible tokens. And
What does that mean? What non-fungible tokens?
They're tokens essentially that, you know, would typically be fungible, and these are non-fungible.
So you're saying there's a bunch of tokens that were fungible and then some guys were like, let's make it not like that.
Let's make it not like that.
Got it.
Exactly. No, basically, okay, so basically, in my opinion, well, whatever, yeah.
Okay, so I tried to get you into NFTs because it took me a while to understand what they are, and I tried to explain it to you through the context of Thorsten Veblen and how I
Yeah.
said they were Veblen goods. Even iPhones at some point, if you remember, were a Veblen good. Like if you had an iPhone or a smartphone, you were rich. But not anymore, everyone has
Yeah.
a smartphone. So NFTs to me are like the next phase of a Veblen good, right?
Okay.
It's like the way to signal to society that you're wealthy.
I'm rich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except NFTs kind of revolutionized or democratized the ability for anyone to buy something for a couple dollars that could someday be worth tens of thousands of dollars.
Yes.
Which is really interesting. So I tried to explain this all to you and you're like, that's cool. And you didn't
Let me go
care.
buy this meme coin over here.
I'm gonna go buy some Floki. So I could not explain NFTs to pro, but I want everyone to meet the person that can, and that did to me and to you in a
Yeah.
way that made me kind of understand it. So let's just call him right now. All right, Foster, what's up?
What's going on?
He's a little slow, it's all good. No, I'm just kidding. Hey man, so you have 10 seconds on the clock to explain to people watching how to make money with NFTs. Go.
It's simple. All they gotta do is download the VV app, get gems, buy collectibles, let them 100x, then you sell them and you retire. Easy.
That's it?
That's it?
What?
I'm all in.
I couldn't convince him, but Foster did.
Thanks, Foster.
Thanks, Foster.
No worries, guys.
You know who you look like?
Oh.
Fix-It Felix Jr.
He does.
Now you have an NFT collection, which I
do.
want to show you right now.
Yes. Really quickly, I started with OpenSea, have a bunch of NFTs over there, but never really knew, okay, what's the next one to take off, right? There's CryptoPunks, there's Bored Apes. How are you gonna find the next best
Which are
thing?
completely unaffordable.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the best way to look at it, in my eyes, is if you're gonna buy an NFT, why not buy one that has a legacy brand attached to it, right? So why not buy one that already has a fan base? So when that fan base starts getting a hold of some NFTs, as NFTs become more adopted and people start buying into them, that these brands are gonna hold their weight and they're gonna hold their value. So these NFTs have a lot higher chance of going up in value because of the brands that they're connected to,
I'm interpreting this.
right?
But why you really bought NFTs is because you saw the price of my Spider-Man go up.
Yeah.
Didn't we just establish not to buy something based on just price?
Did we?
Trying to reinforce the fact that you shouldn't just rely on a price for buying anything.
You should
Or-
never buy on price action. So my first NFT that I bought on VV was Mickey Mouse
Yep.
Steamboat Willie, right? So there are 3 of them in the set, and I went ahead and bought all 3 and spent about $10,000
Wow.
on NFTs.
And you think they're gonna go up in value?
They already have.
They already have.
Yeah. So they like
See?
every single one
you
of them.
listen to me, good things happen.
They're all up basically, right? So after those, I went ahead and bought Todd, which is the very first Batman NFT on the VV platform.
It's actually the first NFT on the entire platform, period. It's the Todd McFarlane Batman.
And guess how much I paid?
How much you pay?
$11.2 thousand.
No way. I was telling you to get it when it was at 1.6K.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, please just get one of these. If you're ever gonna get anything, you're like, yeah, I'll look into it. Let me buy some Floki. Well, I'm excited for you, man. You know I'm your biggest supporter, biggest fan, and I know people watching you want the best for you because they love you and they care, and I'm excited for you to come to Vegas, and we have just one question. When are you gonna shave?
When Dogecoin hits $1.
Never. Don't forget to check out his channel. He's gonna start posting again.
Yes.
This is your comeback right here.
It is. Omi,
All right,
next video.
Go check out his channel. He'll have one up right now. As soon as you go watch it, he will have one up, I promise, right?
Yes, sir.
Go grab up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin with this link right here. Go get your free stocks down below. Go track them with a spreadsheet. Link down below my Patreon. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. See you back here on Monday and Friday, sometimes Wednesday. See you soon. Bye-bye.